till New London Redevelopment came, wielding eminent domain. Her case to the Supreme Court went to determine just what public use meant. When the decision from Justice Stevens came down, it was certain to make homeowners frown. The case for eminent domain, the powers expanding. The case for eminent domain. No house was left standing. Was the city's economic plan sufficient public use for the taking to stand? Our Constitution guarantees no taking of private properties, except for use publicly and after payment of just compensation fees. Now Susette didn't really want to move, and it wasn't an issue that the money's no good. Take what you need for the public interest, but don't take it just to give it to someone else. The case for eminent domain, the powers expanding. The case for eminent domain. No house was left standing. Is it another proper public use, or a vivid example of the powers' abuse? When a depressed municipality in search of economic vitality chooses to take private property, the court will defer to this modality. Public use traditionally meant ownership by the government, or use by the public like an airport maybe, or eradication of a condition unhealthy. The case for eminent domain, the powers expanding. The case for eminent domain. No house was left standing. Look for legislative controls, or to the ballot box to remake the goals. The city's taken Susette's land. Her house removed was rebuilt elsewhere and stands as a monument to plans so grand they hardly could include the common man. The redevelopment agency's gone, disbanded by a city government forlorn. No money to the developers been lent, and nothing's been built but precedent. The case for eminent domain, the powers expanding. The case for eminent domain. No house was left standing. The court said development's a certain success, but all New London's got is rubble and mess.